Shadowing 1. Beginner. Lesson 1. Where are you from? Hello. Hi. How are you? I'm good, thank you. How are you? I'm good, thank you. Where are you from? I'm from the United Kingdom. And you? Where are you from? I'm from Japan. Nice. I lived in Japan 2 years ago. Where in Japan did you live? I lived in Yokohama. It's near Tokyo. Nice. I like Yokohama. Where in Japan are you from? I'm from Kawasaki. Have you heard of Kawasaki? Yes. Kawasaki is between Yokohama and Tokyo, isn't it? That's right. Where in the UK are you from? I'm from Birmingham. Have you heard of it? Yes, of course, because I studied abroad in the UK. Nice. Was it fun? Yeah, it was fantastic. I like it there. Oh, that's great. Lesson 2. Can you speak English? Excuse me, can you speak English? Yes, a little bit. What's happened? How can I get to the station? Okay, take the first left, then turn right. The station is on the left. Okay, thank you. Can the station staff speak English? I think so. I can go there with you. Are you sure? Yes, I'm sure. Lovely, thank you. No problem. Let's go there. Lesson 3. A nice day. Hi, are you all right? Yeah, you? I'm good, thanks. It's sunny today, isn't it? Yeah, I like sunny days. What's the temperature today? Just a second, I will check. Okay, it's 30 degrees. Nice. What do you want to do today? Today's weather is nice. I want to sunbathe. What do you think? Lovely idea. Let's go to the beach. The beach? It's too far, isn't it? I don't care, because the beach is calling us now. Okay, let's go. How will we get there? Can you drive, please? Gosh,